Hi children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn chapter 3, topic rain, where does it come from? Let's start. Children, I will ask some questions to you. What are the things required to the living beings to live? Exactly. Food, water and air are the things we need to live. We need to first know something about the water. All of us know water is available in nature in the three forms. What are the three forms of water? We will discuss today. Forms of water. Water is available in nature. The three forms of water is there: solid, liquid and gas form. Solid form. We call solid form of water is ice. Snow occurs naturally in our environment. Can we convert water into ice, children? Yes. When we cool the water, it changes into ice. What we should do? We should cool the water continuously. It will change into ice. When water is cooled, it changes into ice. Water freezes to form ice at 0 degrees Celsius. What is the another form of water? Liquid form. Children, do you know what is the liquid form of water? Yes, liquid form of water is liquid. What happens if ice is kept in the open air? Well, if ice is kept in the open air, it will melt. If we heat ice, it will change into water. Observe the experiment, children. When we heat the ice cubes, it will change into water. Where is the water present on the earth? Water in liquid form is present in oceans, seas, lakes, rivers and even underground. So water is the liquid form of water. Another form of water is gaseous form. What happens when water is heated? When water is heated, the water will change into water vapor. The gaseous form of water is water vapor, which is present in the air around us. When we heat the water, it will change into water vapor that is present in our air. We know that when ice is heated, it converts into water. Observe, children. When we heat the ice, it changes into water. When we heat the water, it changes into water vapor. If water is heated, it turns into water vapor. If we heat the water, it turns into water vapor. That is gas form of water. When water vapor is cooled, we can get back water. If water is cooled, further we will get ice. So we understand that these three forms of water are interchangeable. Solid changes into liquid, liquid changes into gas, gas changes into liquid, liquid changes into solid. So these three forms of water are interchangeable. How water changes? It stays from one form to another. You know that on heating, ice changes into water. If we continue to heat the water, it begins to boil and then it changes into steam or water vapor. The water vapor changes back into water when it is cooled. If water is cooled, further it changes into ice. So the change in the state of water depends on change in temperature. So I hope children you understand the topic. Let's self check. You can check yourself. What are the three forms of water? The three forms of water is solid, liquid and gas. What happens when ice cream is kept in the sun? When ice cream is kept in the sun, it will melt. Thank you my dear children.